Take a ride in the 2026 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, convertible soft top. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.